So David, now you are a lead AP. What exactly is that?
Well, it stands for Leadership in Energy and Environmental Design, accredited professional. So I can't be, the wrong term to use is saying I'm LEED certified, I'm a LEED AP, I'm an accredited professional. A building is what a site or a project is LEED accredited, certified, I'm sorry. So basically it's construction or design, the whole phase from going from design to construction, and doing it basically where you're environmentally and energy friendly, where you can save more energy and where you can affect the environment in a more positive way. So obviously, you've heard of going green.
Hmm.
Everything's going green
Sure.
nowadays. Um, I would look at it as lead AP is kind of like that. When the engineer is designing the building, he's trying to design it so the stormwater has less effect on the environment. He tries to design so the plants don't need to be watered or sprinkled. It can live off just the natural irrigation, just the natural rainfall. And so, as a surveyor, really I don't have a role in that, other than um, they offered the test if anybody could take the test, so I figured I should take it and see if I can pass it. And so I did, and I passed it. And to be honest, I've always claimed that I could pass any multiple choice test. The lead AP exam was multiple choice, but it was extremely difficult. I really had to study for it. It a lot of memorization. It was a very tough test. But what I think it does is I think it allows our clients to see that, well, if I could pass a lead AP exam, a lot of them took that same exam, so they can benchmark what type of knowledge I have. They can say, well, Dave's a surveyor and he passed that. So I think it lends, validation to the fact that I'm not just your average surveyor.
Sure. And you just mentioned it is rare for a surveyor to have that type of accreditation. And do you think that when people see that, that people who are also lead AP, they know that you have the same goals in mind that they do when it comes to a project? Even though you won't be working on it exactly, you know where they're coming from with it.
Yes, I think they would know that. They know that I had to go through the same test as them. They know that I either know all the material inside and out. So basically, I know that they're trying to conserve energy, that they're trying to conserve water. I know what the architect and the engineer and the mechanical engineer are trying to do, the civil engineer and so forth. I know the end result they're trying to do. I know that they're trying to conserve waste. They don't want to haul a lot of junk to the landfill. I know that they're trying to use reused products, recycled products. So, yeah, definitely a construction manager on a site who was lead AP and I being a lead AP, they would know that I knew what the final goal was, and I could
Hmm.
maybe even help with that a little bit. And I say I'm not a big part of that, but I think there's certain things when it comes to protecting the environment, the natural habitat and stuff. I could
Sure.
say, look, this is the problem. I could point it out to somebody. You can't take and destroy that much habitat if someone made a mistake or something got changed. Um, so I think it is a benefit. And every team that's trying to get LEED certified, every project, they get a point for a lead AP on the team. So who knows? Someday maybe they need a lead AP, someone left or something, I could be that. And probably not, because I think you probably have to be a design professional or construction professional, but you never know what the future
Sure.
holds.
And it's a commitment to the same
Yeah,
principles. So,
it is that. It's a commitment to the same principles. It tells them that we're on the same project team, we're all pointing in the same direction. And I think that's probably, makes them feel better about the project. I'm not just some hired gun that comes in and doesn't really care about things. When we approach a project, we really care about it. We want it to be a success, and we typically do whatever it takes to make it a success. And that's really one of SurvTech's, I guess, mottos here, especially with construction. We really pride ourselves in trying to service our clients, trying to be there on time, not letting them down, because we know the hardships a construction manager is going through, trying to manage all the different subs, trying to manage all the suppliers, trying to figure out when to get the concrete there. So as a lead AP, I know all those things. And on top of that, those everyday challenges, now he has a whole other set of challenges, and I'm aware of that. So we're very sensitive to our construction clients. In fact, I think that's why we get repeat business from construction companies, because we're there for them. We're team players.